Hi, everybody. Martha here. I want to share with you some key set hacks about organizing your feedback. What I realized after using KeySet for a while was the fact that I was giving a lot of constructive criticism without balancing it with positive feedback. So, to remedy that, I started organizing my feedback into these tables and I chunked my feedback into sections. So, for instance, this feedback I'll be inputting into the feedback editor as I'm building my keyboard, but it's sitting right here in front of me, really organized. But here's the hack. For every element of, let's say, the introductory paragraph, you'll have constructive feedback and you'll also have positive feedback of the same element. So, for instance, on the introductory paragraph, a one would be some constructive feedback about the hook, which is the first sentence of the essay. A control or a shift one would be, you did a great job on your hook. All right. So as we move down in the essay, so the next thing would be the plot summary in your introductory paragraph. So a two would be, you had some issues. Control two or shift two would be, you did a great job on presenting the plot summary in your introductory paragraph. All right. All right. So for every element of the assignment, you can have constructive and you can have positive. Awesome. All right. The only other thing I wanted to show you was the fact that I am breaking up my students' feedback, especially when it comes to like long research papers or essays, into sections. So here's a research paper. And I always, like for instance, after the introductory paragraph, I'm going to be inserting this table and then I put this feedback on the table. So on the left-hand side is areas of continued growth. And on the right-hand side would be, you did a great job. It would be flattery. And I'm just going to show you what that would look like. So that's it. All right. Just think about organizing your feedback in tables. And for every element, you're going to have something that is just a single keystroke that gives constructive feedback. And with that same element, you're just going to add a control keystroke or a shift keystroke, and that will be positive feedback for that same element. This was a game changer for me, and I hope you find it helpful.